Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mashimo Akihiro. Please call me Aki. Thank you for coming to this seminar. I'm craftsman of bamboo fences working in Kyoto. Today, I'd like you to know what is bamboo fences. Also, I will show you how I make fences. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
So good afternoon, konnichiwa. I am Kazu, and I'm here to assist Aki with English and using Zoom and holding camera and so on. And so also I did interview to Aki about bamboo fencing, and I made today's documents. So I hope you enjoy this seminar. And as you can see, we are standing in front of his working place. And normally bamboo fencing is a kind of outside work. You do fencing in like a gardens or something in park or something. But also you need a lot of work inside. So like preparing for the fencing, and you need lots of bamboo to store. So we are going to have a small factory tour at first, and we will show you some documents inside. So let's go inside. Okay, go. So this is bamboo fences he made.
兼任寺垣と言います。
So this is the typical one called kenninji fence. So this is name of the company, Nagaoka Meichiku. He belongs Nagaoka Meichiku. Nagaoka is the name of the area which produced the nice bamboo in Kyoto. So here you can see small products with the bamboo, like a bottle stand, and also like a sake bottle and
ついたてですね、金箔がついた。
tsuitate wall like this.
はい、行きましょう。
はい。
QR コード。
And also QR code made with bamboo.
で、この辺りに、竹を保存しています。
So it's our store place. You can see lots of bamboos stored here, like this.
だいたい4メートル強。
It's about 4 meters length.
まあ、こういう切り立ての青い竹もあります。
Some of the bamboos are green like this.
で、青い竹を、油抜きっていうのをすると白い竹に変わって。
And some of these are not white, basically yellow like this.
はい、どうぞ。この辺りは工作室。
It's a kind of machine room.
竹を切る機械。
There's a machine, you cut the bamboo.
磨く機械。
And machine, you polish the bamboo.
刃物を入れますね。
Okay, he's polishing the knife. Konnichiwa.
で、穴を開ける機械。
And you make a hole.
で、ちっちゃい穴開けて、今これはお茶室のスノコを作っているところです。
Now he's making some kind of small products with small bamboo.
あと細かいものはこのテーブルとなって。
And also small products and small tools.
この辺のりとか。はい、次。ここは花池の落としって言って、花を入れる部分、水が抜けないようにする銅の落としっていうのを作っています。
So this place, they are making some pot for the tea ceremony.
で竹は、水分を抜いてから使うことで、商品になってから割れを防ぐ。なので、そのために、保管しています。何年も長く保管しています。
So this space, our storage for the bamboos. This is one is a bamboo shoot, bamboo with a bamboo shoot, and they keep the bamboo here for like few years to make it dry.
ちょっと見てみましょう。
Okay, let's have a look.
ここに竹の根っこが走ってて、この辺までは地面。
So it's basically bamboo root.
でここから上が普段見えているところですね、竹が。
The part under this part is basically in the underground, and normally people see only about this part. This part is you can see normally, but this part you don't see. But this part looks like really weird, but also looks nice. So they use it for like tea ceremonies at some kind of teapot or something. 何に使うんですかこれ大体。
これ花池ですね。こう。
You put flowers in it. Right. Yeah.
はい。でこういうまっすぐ切るとこういうと一緒。
And also another tea flower. You put the flower in it as well. So there's so many things.
これすすだけですね。ちょっと埃かぶってるけど。
それは何ですか？すすだけ。すすだけ。すすだけってのは何ですか？
すすだけは囲炉裏の煙にいぶされて、長い年月100年以上かけて色がついた竹です。
So this part, you can see brown color of this bamboo. It's not natural one, but it was stored in some kind of old house, and there's a charcoal bamboo catch the charcoal of the fire, and color changed into this color. Yeah, it's smoked to this color.
あと珍しいのは亀甲竹。
And you can see the weird one, turtle shell bamboo. It's also bamboo.
こういう結界とかになりますね。
And you make this with turtle shell bamboo. It's also one of the
結界はまあここより
bamboo fence.
奥に行かないでっていう合図で立てる場合が多いです。
This thing shows this thing separates the area. It shows where you should not go and where should you go and things like that.
よし、じゃあ上行きましょう。
Okay.
はい。
So it's about the first floor, and we are going to go second floor. Hi.
ここの機械に材料、短い材料を保管しています。
This place is also storage for the short bamboos and branches.
これは孟宗竹の枝ですね。
So it's branches of a bamboo.
竹枝の垣根、こういうのになりますね。
So you make you make fence like this
あとは枝を編んだりしてもっと高級な竹の枝の垣根も作ります。後で資料を見ていただきます。
You will see another fence made of bamboo, made of branch later.
これははい。
It's another kind of similar to bamboo, and you can see it's a bit darker than the bamboo. You make also fences with this one.
この辺は黒竹です。
This is black bamboo. Like this.
あと黒文字っていう素材もあります。
And also there's another one for kuromoji. There's a lot of kinds.
これが移動式の茶室。
And this is like a portable tea room, tea house that he made.
こんな感じ。
You can have tea ceremony in this. And we can bring this to anywhere. Like, yeah. Oh.
ここに、差し込んでる、2本から差し込んでるだけで、この柱は動きます。簡単な作りです。だから移動式。
So it's, yeah.
簡単にばらすことができて、移動してまた違う場所で立てることができる。
So it's easy to bring to anywhere.
二次入り口です。ここは入り口。
This is like an entrance hall for 二次入り口. You go into the tea ceremony house, tea ceremony room, and have small tea ceremony.